Good things often come to gamers who wait, but can we say the same for the Steam Deck OLED? The competitive nature of notable companies such as Sony and Microsoft has blessed gamers with a plethora of consoles, games, and accessories over the years. This spirit of competition has extended to the portable gaming market, giving us an abundance of choices in portable devices. Now Valve, wanting to end the year on a high note, has released the new Steam Deck OLED. Is this what gamers need right now? Perhaps not, sorry Valve. Anyways, without further ado, let's jumo into the reason why. The OLED version comes in two models. The 512GB and 1TB versions priced nearly the same as the 500GB LCD model. This pricing strategy was quite surprising and raises concerns for other handheld PCs in the market. Valve seems to have handled the pricing well, making it appear like a nearly flawless handheld device at first glance. However, upon closer inspection, there are notable flaws. The primary issue lies in the Steam Deck being a Linux-based handheld PC, introducing compatibility issues that may disappoint those eager to play indie PC games. This factor could be a real downer for potential users. Another notable aspect is the system's resolution. While having an OLED screen is always a treat for gamers, the Steam Deck's screen resolution is set at 800p. This might result in some games appearing less crisp, particularly if you're using FSR 1.0. Imagine if Valve had opted for a 1200p OLED screen that could have elevated it to the pinnacle of handheld gaming. Looking at the OLED Steam Deck, the changes from its predecessor are somewhat underwhelming. The OLED model boasts a 6nm APU, a slight upgrade from the 7nm APU in the LCD version. However, the 1nm difference is incredibly tiny, nearly impossible to notice. The RAM has seen an improvement now at LPDDR5 6400 compared to LPDDR5 5500 in the original Steam Deck. The display has transitioned to OLED with thinner bezels, but the increase in size from 7 inches to 7.4 inches is minimal. The refresh rate has been boosted to 90 Hz from 60 Hz, but whether this change is discernible in real-world use is up for debate. Looking at storage, the OLED Steam Deck boasts a 512GB upgrade from the original 256, and the battery has been slightly increased to 50 watts from the previous 45 watts. While these enhancements seem promising on paper, the real-world impact may not be as significant. During previous testing, gaming on the Steam Deck lasted around an hour for AAA games. The 10% increase in battery life, translating to an extra 10 minutes of gameplay, may not be a game-changer for many users. So it seems that OLED is the only noticeable difference here. Battery life takes a hit when playing demanding games like Resident Evil and Cyberpunk 2077, especially at peak brightness and HDR, which is not recommended. It's advised to stick to SDR and low brightness for a better experience. On a somewhat negative note, if you were hoping for the new Steam Deck to outperform the AMD Z1 Extreme and the ROG Ally, you might be disappointed. The gains in performance are modest, and the Ally shows significant improvements only when plugged in and using Windows 11's Turbo mode. And that wraps up today's video. Considering all these details, are you still planning to purchase this device? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.